that is that. That is the reality of it. All right, let's go to the next one. All shapewear is visible under clothes. Going back to what I was saying, you got to know what problem you're solving, or you got to know what you're wearing. Again, this kind of just roots back to what problem are you solving. So what are you wearing so that we can align what shapewear to get. I mentioned before, if you're wearing a very high slit dress to a black tie event, then you want to get the one that has the panty on one side and then the tights or up to the knees one on the other side. If you have a backless type of dress, you're going to get one that has a very low dip. If you have something in the front that kind of has that sweetheart, you want to get something that fits around it. I know us ladies have so much to worry about when it comes to clothes because we are very intricate. But if you're one of those girls who experiments with a lot of those, but you want to keep your body snatched, you got to have different types of shapewear to keep the lines seamless. All right.